Alright guys, I'm going to start tearing out this windshield. Welcome to my messy ass garage. Yeah, I'm going to start tearing this windshield out. I've never done this before, so I'm just going to start doing it. And I feel like eventually something will come out. Or I'll put my feet on there and push. We'll find out. I didn't have an exit strategy. Put that shit in here so it's contained.
They added something to the gasket.
It was either white silicone to make it like lubricated,
Yeah.
which I have somewhere.
But then like other people are like, don't do it because it just...
Well, the white silicone is just lubricant.
Yeah.
You're just spraying it on there so it goes on easy. Did you,
See the tight end Tomlinson? Look at this push. We've not seen that this entire game.
No, I was just wondering if you had tried to drive fit the gasket onto the window.
Oh. No, I haven't. You want me to try?
No, whenever you're ready.
Knee surgery forthcoming. They're averaging 4.5 yards.
guess we'll give a quick update on the windshield as well. The camera cut out, and then I was hungry, so we didn't film the rest of it, but it all went in. You know, the chrome fit, you know, fairly well, and the we got all the pieces in, the gasket worked, and underneath the windshield was actually in really good shape. One of the things I like about this car is it's for its entire life. Any sort of like rust remediation was done. So underneath it was all, you know, it's fine. It was painted black just like the rest of it. You know, it's been taken care of. There's no rust underneath the windshield. A little bit of surface rust in the passenger corner that I took off with a wire brush real easy. Respray painted it. Everything worked out fine. So this car doesn't have a lot of bad rust. It's got, you know, very, very little rust. That's probably the best part about this car.